fastest I've ever been in my entire life. This is one hell of a build, man. Wow. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Charles with TRC, and today we are in Kansas at the Kansas Airstrip Attack, hosted by Shift Sector. And today we are going to be featuring Cicio Performance with this R35 GTR. It makes 2,500 horsepower. It's absolutely insane. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so we're here with Vinny. We're gonna be riding in his GTR right here. It's basically a carbon copy of the of Cicio's personal GTR. So what can you tell me about the build?
It's a 4.3 billet motor. It's got 7682 ETS 2100 Pro Series turbos on it, and it's got a Jax transmission, which is holding up great. And so far, we've been putting the power down. We had a little issue with the car earlier on yesterday's run, but we cleared that up, and now it's running good. So,
how much power is it making right now?
Right now, I'm going to take you out at about 2350 hit.
Wow. Yeah, so this will be the fastest car that I've ever ridden in, guys.
Go.
I'm super excited. Let's go get this thing, man. All right, guys, we are in. Oh, that's a monster right there. I'll tell you what.
Oh, we're gonna set her free.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
Yeah, let off my ass.
Wow! Oh my gosh! Dude,
That was a full send.
Oh my god!
That was a full send.
Oh my gosh, dude, what? All right, so I rode in Ryan's car, right?
Yeah.
I was only on the 1900 map on that. This is something different, man.
I tried to tell everybody that. I sputtered yesterday racing a gray car down low.
Yeah.
We turned it up right there. That was 2350.
Oh my gosh, what?
And it took it all.
It ran so clean, dude.
What'd it go? Went off my ass. 229.
Oh my god. 229.
Well, boys, that was a full send right there.
I'll tell you what, that was a full send. Jesus. We went so quick that it blew the GoPro back. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this is one hell of a build, man. Wow. That's the fastest I've ever been in my entire life.
Yeah? Fuck yeah.
Wow. Almost 230, dude. Dude, I can't stop smiling.
Yeah.
I can't stop. Vinny, man, thank you so much. That was awesome. That was a great time, man. I had so much fun. Can you tell me a little bit about this car?
Vinny's car is a carbon copy of my car.
Okay.
So it's billet block, ETS Pro 2100. It's got a Jax transmission. I think it's the fastest Jax transmission car on planet Earth.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much everything else is exactly the same. R-Fire ring, CNC head package, horses, our block that we got from ETS. I told you about this car. Wet sump, a fridge, ETS fridge, air-to-air intercooler. It's literally almost a carbon copy. He called me and he was like, I want what your car is.
So how'd your pass go, man?
Hey man, it was pretty good. The car, what we did was, I think I was telling you before, it's the front wheel drive clutch is kind of a hard time, so it was spinning pretty good. So we loosened the traction control up a little bit, which made it kind of fun.
A little bit, yeah. I saw you dance out.
Oh yeah, it was fun. So she was moving, so that was cool. And the other gentleman got the hit. It was actually kind of hard for me, which is interesting because they didn't think about this. But like, I had a Hansa. So you can only
you can't
move your neck,
far, yeah.
and like you can't hear him, so you have to watch his fingers, and I can barely see his fingers. I'm like trying to drive, trying to brake boost, trying to make sure we're not going too fast, trying to look at everything, and I'm like looking out the corner of my eye, like I think I can see his fingers, but I mean it worked. He took the hit, and then I just like very slowly drove around him. It was actually a really good race.
That's good.
Kyle said it was the best race so far of the day, so
Very
barely
nice.
drove around him. And then he actually, I think, hit some type of a cut, but not to like 170, and I was already past it.
Okay.
So, but no, it was a great run, great race. Hopefully, man, our only saving grace will be if the sun's on the track.
Yeah.
Then we'll get a little bit more traction, and hopefully be able to go just a little faster, and hopefully get the next guy. I don't even know who it is.
It was really cold today, so traction was just a nightmare forever.
Traction is a nightmare, and then I have, with that issue, but whatever. It is what it is. It's racing. We're having fun. At least we're in it still. So yeah, unfortunately, Vinny's car, like the other guy, got the hit on him, and he couldn't drive around him. It sucks, but again, that's racing.
We're super happy to have you out here, man. What can you tell me about what's going on?
Oh man, so yeah, we're out here at the Super Roll race, which we're pretty excited about, at the Kansas Airstrip Attack, put on by Shift Sector. They allocated us a little bit of time to do some side-by-side racing. Ryan put it on and decided to grab some people, and then just have some side-by-side, just for fun, just grudge racing, basically, only legal. So
Exactly.
yeah, we brought this car out in our customer Vinny's car right behind us. Yeah, I don't have huge aspirations. We came out here, we did a couple of test hits. Traction is obviously kind of a limiting factor out here, so we're trying to dial that in. I got the same front wheel drive clutch that's been in the car for a year and a half, so it's probably a little tired. Vinny's car is actually hooking quite a bit better than mine, but yeah, we're out here just having fun and we're excited about it. So it should be a fun couple of days. Plus the guys like just hanging out, just chatting. understanding what everybody else's problems, struggles, like, oh, you know, this is my platform and I do this and this. That's just fun, man. It's car guys, you know?
What can you tell me about the car? I haven't actually interviewed you myself, so I don't know a lot about the car. What can you tell me?
Yeah, a lot of this channel does. So it's a billet block, West billet block that ETS helped us get. Our CNC heads with our firing package that we sell. It's a ETS 7675 turbo kit, so they're Pro 2100.
Okay.
Their Pro 2300 is what's on like Billy's car. That's the 7685.
Okay.
Shep stage 6 transmission, and
Very nice.
honestly, the big thing with this car that I did was I didn't like. There's no drag race mode to this thing. It's air-to-air intercooler. It is wet sumped. It's full-size rear brakes.
Wow.
It is full interior. You know, like stereo still in it. The whole 9
Full
yards.
street car.
It really is a nice tucked cage. You know, safety important, but like it's not like crazy.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly. It's not super invasive.
And I just don't drag race this car anymore at all. You know, I just come out here, do this kind of stuff with it, enjoy it.
Sounds
Honestly,
fun.
like, yeah, like weekends, like, I'll have to jump in this thing and like go down to car shows and stuff like that, rolling around, turn it down a little bit to like 50 pounds.
Yeah, you know, this little street mode, you know, everyone has on these crazy horsepower cars. Like, oh, it's only X amount of power.
Yeah, we got to turn down a pretty good amount here. In Texas, we ran at 62 pounds, and out here we're at, well, 52 pounds.
Okay.
Just to try to get it to stay in the ground.
Definitely. How much power do you think it's making out here?
Probably about, realistically, probably only about 1950, maybe 2000. The car hooked the back tire at about 160-ish, so it was just spinning to 160.
The entire way.
Yeah, but I mean, that's not a drag racer excuse. Everybody's out here dealing with the same thing, right?
Exactly,
It's cold out, there's, you know, traction's limited, so yeah, we're having fun. Vinny's car actually, for some reason, takes the hit a lot better than mine. We have 300 more foot-pounds of torque in Vinny's car on the hit than we do in this, and his car just takes it.
Really?
I don't know if it's because it's heavier, or like I said, maybe the front-wheel drive clutch is going. But
Exactly, yeah.
Whatever.
All right, guys, like I said, if you guys liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think of these cars. They build some insane cars. Can tell you firsthand experience, these cars are absolutely insane. Go check them out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.